In crochet, normally you chain up 3 to begin, but because you're doing the first 3 together, if the pattern states that, the first time you go through you're only gonna chain up 2, not 3. And you're immediately gonna jump to the next one. So you're yarning over, going into the next stitch, pull through 2 and hold it. And then come into the next one. So wrap, next stitch, pull through 2 and hold it. You only have 3 loops on your hook the very first time if you're ever starting a row, but you pull through all 3. So everything else now in the row will always have 4 loops before you pull through. So come to the next one. So wrap, the next stitch, pull through 2 and hold it. Wrap, next one, pull through 2 and hold it, and keep on doing that until you get to what you see as 4 loops on your hook. So the beginning loop is the beginning one that you just did, and these 3 are part of the next 3. So yarning over, pulling it through everything. So just do it one more time just to show you. So I'm just collecting them. I'm looking for the 4 loops on the hook. So I'm kinda just using that visual aid, and then I pull through all 4 loops when I'm satisfied. This is how you do double crochet 3 together.